Hi friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in this video we are going to discuss the various job opportunity available in one of the multinational company. Friend, the job opportunities are available across all India locations. So please watch the video complete to know regarding the various job names, what are the job descriptions and how you can apply. So let's start the video. So, friend, the company name is John Crane, and it is a multinational company, friends. And they manufacture the various types of mechanical Cs, and also they provide the various services. So, friend, let's check regarding this company first. So here you can see this company was founded in 1917, and John Crane is one of the world's leading providers of engineered technology with more than 5,000 employees across 200 global sites. So, friend, it is a very big organization, and here you can see they are involved in the various industries like oil and gas, then power generation, chemical, then you can see pharmaceutical, polymers, minings and minerals, food and beverages, pulp and processing, refrigeration. So they are involved in the every sectors, and here you can see what types of products they provide. They provide the mechanical seals, seal support system, then seal face technologies, power transmission, bearing isolators, equipment filtration, process filtration, packing. So friend, it is a very good opportunity for all the mechanical engineers as well as various other branches to get the job in John Crane company. So friend, here you can see we are at the official career page of the John Crane company, and in the top you can see various types of filter is given, like if you know any job, then you can directly enter in the keywords, or if you know your region, then enter your region like Asia Pacific, then Europe, you can select here, then you have to select your country, then you have to select your city, and you have to click on this search. So once you click, the result will show. So currently we have selected the country as a India and city as a Bangalore. So you can see various job opportunities are showing, like engineer customer service and planning, then engineer for the computer aided design, then you can see a system design, finance controller, global procurement, business analyst, then pricing analyst, senior system design engineer. So friend, we are going to check the different job opportunities one by one. So let's check the first job opportunity, that is a engineer for the system design, and it is for the Pune Bangalore location. So you can see the location is given, and it is a friend full-time job opportunity, and here you can see responsibilities are mentioned, like you have to review, interpret, establish project requirement and its deliverables on order receipt. Then you have to design and release large variety of engineered to order well seal system general arrangement drawings, which is known as a GA drawing. Then you can see job scheduling and required resource planning with internal as well as the external system. Attend kickoff meeting with bidding, contracts and operation team. Sizing data sheet, preparation of system component, auxiliary piping. Then you have to also do the detailed engineering calculation like thermal, mechanical, pressure vessel design using various tools and software. And you have to also create a bill of material in SAP software, and also you have to manage drawings in the team center, preparing instrument hookup drawing, instrument IO list, utility list, data sheet as per the industry format. So you have to do this multiple responsibilities. So friend, currently they are having two positions. First is a engineer, then senior engineer. So we had discussed the first engineer job for system design. Then here you can see engineer job for the senior engineer job description is given. You can see checking, approving the customer deliverables and guiding design engineer, develop and maintain high motivated engineering team, coordinate with John Crane manufacturing centers across the world, create, update training materials and knowledge bank, preparation of executive report to communicate teams efficiency and effectiveness, then conduct root cause analysis and ensure agreed corrective actions are implemented consistently. Then you have to provide technical support during bidding phase when required. So friends, these are the some requirement is given, and you should also know the terms like AD, RCA, GCN process, which is a normal in the manufacturing industry. So you can see the qualification is a B mechanical required or equivalent. Then 2 to 4 years of experience required for the engineer position, and 6 to 10 years of experience required for the senior engineer position. So friend, these are the some requirement is given. So how you can apply, we will discuss at the end of the video. So let's check the second job opportunity, that is a engineer for customer service and planning. So friend, again it is a full-time job opportunity and it is for the Bangalore location. Then you can see duties and responsibilities, like you have to handle customer inquiries for parts, product and services, costing and pricing of products. You have to agree transfer pricing and serve level agreement with the customers, and you have to review the orders, and you have to also understand the material requirement. You have to check the BOM, which is a bill of material, and you should also involve in the discussion with the relevant stakeholder to understand the schedule and expediting the material so that you can meet the customer requirement. Review the safety stock and adjusting them according to the material consumption, then understanding the long lead items and arranging them according to the schedule. Then you will be also involved in the selection, pricing, and preparation of quotations and proposals where necessary, working with the engineering and other department. You have to review a PO, that is a purchase orders, and ensure the clean order entry in the business system. Then initiating drawing requests, GPN requests, and reviewing drawings and design with approval of customers. Also, you have to liaise with the engineering, manufacturing, dispatch, and finance department to ensure safe, quality, timely delivery of product and customer sites. And you have to also create the process and procedures, reporting requirements of the company and department. You have to establish a good relationship with the customer, handling complaints, then giving timely feedback and progress report to the customers. So these are the some requirement is given, friend. So here you can see B Bachelor of Engineer is a degree required for 4 to 6 years of experience, and you should proficient in English with both a verbal as well as a written communication, as you have to deal with the customer and also with the multinational customers. So it is a very good English requirement is given. So you can see you should be able to plan and prioritize work. Quick learner with good analytical skill is required. So friend, before going to check the next job opportunity, that is for the engineer for the computer aided design. Friend, please subscribe mechanical stream to receive the notification of our latest video. And friend, also please like and share this video with your friend so that everyone can get the advantage of this video. And friend, please subscribe mechanical stream so that you can receive the job notification at the earliest, and you can apply for the jobs before the job application expires or job opening end. So please subscribe mechanical stream. So here you can see a location is given Bangalore, and it is a full-time job opportunity. So you can see here the duties and responsibilities, like you have to review, interpret, and you have to establish the product requirement from customer, DOR, and technical file requisitions. You have to design and release large variety of engineered to order mechanical ceiling designs through the general arrangement drawings, which is a GA. And you have to maintain consistently high standard of work and maintain delivery schedules. Must follow implement company with procedures and design standards. You have to perform basic engineering calculation as required using various engineering tools and calculation. And also you have to conduct root cause analysis and ensure good corrective actions are implemented consistently. Example, AD and RCA. AD is a technique which helps to resolve the customer complaints, and RCA stand for the root cause analysis. That is from there you can know the what is the main cause of the problem. So friend, you can see key skills and experience requirement is given, that is a good engineering judgment with a ceiling solutions of or a high precision assembly, strong hand-on skills on the solid edge 3D assembly, 3D part modeling, 2D draft environment. So friend, you should have a very good application knowledge of fits and tolerance and GD&T and design of precision assemblies. Friend, it is a computer aided design course, so these are the very mandatory requirement is given. Then you can see you should be committed to very high level of customer service. Then you must pay attention to details with good analytical skills and be a quick learner. So, friend, these are the some requirement is given. Please check every job description before applying for the any job opportunity, so that you can apply the suitable job opportunity, so that the chances of shortlisting will increase. So, friend, let's check how you can apply. For applying, friend, you have to click on this apply now button, which is given on the bottom. So once you click, then this type of page will open. So in the top you can see the position on which you are applying. Then you can see reference number is given. So friend, application is divided into 4 stages. The first stage is a personal information, in which you have to provide the details like your name, contact details, your address details, and you have to click on this next button so that you can redirect to the stage 2, that is attachment, in which you have to provide your resume, or you can provide your cover letter, or you can attach the any additional certification if you had done any. Then you have to in the stage 3 you have to provide the various questions asked by the John Grant. You have to answer it, and at the last stage, that is a 4, in which you have to review your application and you have to submit. So friend, if you have any query regarding this job opportunity, or if you want us give us any suggestion, please comment so that we can work on it and improve. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.